Get loose now. Hey, how you doing? I'm pretty good. My toe hurts. Oh, Zach? No, he's sleeping. Yeah, he's tired. Christian? Yeah, I'm a Christian. Why, you got a problem with that? Cause, man, I'll turn my cheek. Or, I don't know. I'm stupid. Well, I mean, I just want to, like, get to know you and, like, maybe we could go out to lunch or something. I don't know. But, I encourage you to listen to this because, I like it. I think it's pretty good. But, don't try to look for no categories or anything because that kind of might mess you up. Or, like this is an intro and usually people form their opinion right about the intro. And that's bad. Okay? But more on that later. I mean, because it's like, I don't know. I mean, we kind of like think we're hip hop, but everybody like wants all these crazy like genres and categories. Yeah, you're Eastern, acoustical folk, rock, alternative, hip hop, snot. 1998.